How to activate permanently deleted Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can activate a permanently deleted Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are certain criteria to activating a deleted Facebook account and not deactivate it, and that is that if it has been 30 days since you actually deleted your account, just keep in mind that even Facebook themselves will not be able to help you with the issue. But if it's not been over 30 days, if it's only been a week or two, you can reactivate the deleted account. To prove that to you, I'm going to delete my Facebook account right in front of you. As you can see, I'm on the deactivating or deletion page. So I'll select delete account, then I'll just tap and continue, and then I'll just select my account, or I don't feel safe or whatever reason, I'll just tap and continue, then just tap on the continue button again, and after that I'll just select the option called delete account, which is again at the bottom. So I'll just tap and continue option over here. As I do that, the final step will require me to enter my password, so I will go ahead and do that. So once I've entered my password, I'll just tap on the continue option, and now you can see I'll just tap on the delete account button, and I have permanently deleted my Facebook account. So what if I want to actually activate or reactivate my permanently deleted Facebook account? So basically you have 30 days until you actually recover this specific account, which means that until 30 days, if we just go ahead and try to log into that account after refreshing it, so open up Facebook and then you can just try to log into that specific account, right? I'll just tap on the login to another account button. I'll enter the email address as well as the password of the account that I'm trying to log in, which is the one that I deleted right in front of you. So basically I've entered the email and password. Now I'll just try to log into that account. Sometimes it may ask you that your account was scheduled for deletion. So in my case, you can see it's basically says me, do you want to continue using Facebook? Because it says that I had actually scheduled for deletion and I have 30 days to permanently delete it. If I want to reactivate, I can just tap on yes, continue to Facebook. But if it says your account has been permanently deleted, it basically means that there is no way you can retrieve that. So just try to log in, see if it's been over past 30 days or not. If it's not been, you're absolutely lucky, but if it's been, unfortunately, you just have to bear with it. Hope this video helped you answer the question. If it did help answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.